Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you to sign in your SBCGlobal account. First, click on browser. Go to start.att.net. Click on sign in button right side of your screen. On the username box, type your username or email username@sbcglobal.net. On the password box, type your password. If you are using from your own computer, click on Keep Me Sign In. After clicking this, you don't have to sign in next time when you use it. Click on Sign In button. Then your account will be successfully signed in. If you don't have account, click on Create Account button. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.